Hey guys, this is Excellent the Maths Doctor and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if or someone who is interested in getting a distinction in mathematics, this is definitely the right channel for you. And yeah, so today we thought there is something is interesting again. Simplify today we about level the surds. And we don't have, when we simplify the expression the exponent too much, like they are just different. So you have to understand all of the aspects so that you can simplify. So Moki, what we're going to be simplifying the terms they have the square root. So we call those the sets. So we are simplifying expression about the sets because of this square roots and the numbers they're in this square roots, guys, they do not have a square root. Calculating while square roots of 27, it won't give you like number s3 straight or the square root of 27, le 48, le 12, the same thing. I need the square root number. So if unako simplify something in a square root and that number what's square root zero, okay, you're going to do it like this again. That square root again. More 27, we separate the 27 in a way. And we two numbers and one of those numbers sanje even square root. For example, we separate the 27 in a different format. 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is still 27, but in separate the number number it has a square root because 9 in a square root. Square root is 3. This other number here 3 it doesn't have a square root, but I separate it like this so that I can have one of the numbers square root. Then renale m to the power of 6 minus the square root of then 48. 48 is the same thing. 48 if I write it as 16 multiplied by 3. It's about 16 in a square root. So you and I can write it like this. One of the numbers square root which is 16. Then if I take m to the power of 6. Then the square root of 12. The square root of 12 like 4 times 3 because 4 in a square root which is 2. Then m to the power of 6 again. Then that equals to okay. Now let me not say the next step. The next step is the square root number they have a square root. For example, I said 9 in a square root and the square root is 9 3. So get on 3. Like 3 is no longer in the square root because the square root is 9. So 3 answer it over square root. Then come on square root to 3. Then m to the power of 6, because m to the power of 6 it has a square root. Square root of m to the power of 6 m to the power of 3. Why? Because when you got m to the power of 3 multiplied by m to the power of 3 is going to be m to the power of 6. That's why you get it in a square root. Then kafeta minus. As for sadie ya 16 no longer it has a square root, and square root of 16 can 4. So 4. Then square root 3 doesn't have a square root. Then m to the power of 6 related over m to the power of 3. Like this. This one. Again. Then this one we do the same thing. The square root of 42. So I write 2. Then square root 3. Then m to the power of 6 it becomes m to the power of 3. Just like that. So le one firstly get separate in a way we're going to have at least a single number it has a square root. Then the square root number square root of 9 3, square root of 16 4, square root of 4 is 2. And then with the next step. The next step I want us to look at something. Or in the numerator the page. Term tomoshi. And then term ya to make it guys separate a negative sign. A negative sign can no longer either or even two separate terms. If it was multiplication or division, we're going to classify it as term A1. But because of the minus, we separate the two terms. Or I can just do it like this. Or minus here separate. Again. Then what I want us to like the terms because they have something in common. Term yama in a square root of 3, then the second term yana in a square root of 3, which is a common what we call the common factor. Again, but it's not only the square root of 3. Le m to the power of 3 is common in these two terms. So the common factor is square root of 3, le m to the power of 3 because in this term, the other term as well. So getting one as a common factor, square root of 3 and m to the power of 3. Common factor. This is what we call factorizing, factorize. So one of the methods of factorize I go into common factor, which is in this case common factor I'm like square root of 3 m to the power of 3. Now pile ga reach this common factor here. Re shete kang go shete 4 go shete 3. So ke tlo 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 over we still have 2 square root of 3 m to the power of 3. And here key guys, another thing or let's get confused here. Key in a square root of 3 m to the power of 3, but we cannot classify it as one of the we're going to take out the common factor. This one we do not count it when we take this common factor out. Why? Because meaning or it represents a division, and we cannot take out a common factor in terms of their divider. That's why we are subtracting. Then the next step, I'll just continue here. Okay. The next step, so 3 minus 4 is negative 1 again. So we don't want to is equal to square root of 3. Square root of 3 m to the power of 3. Then 3 minus 4 we say is negative 1. Then we want negative 1. Then come off as another 2 square root of 3 m to the power of 3. So we to multiply the ones still over there on top again because of the brackets. The brackets they mean that we must multiply. The term or the number it can carry the brackets and it is positive. Any sign it means that it is positive. But the one the brackets is negative. So when the terms are positive and negative, because we multiply two different signs, we're going to get an answer here, a negative sign. Square root of 3 m to the power of 3 multiplied by 1. Anything when you multiply by 1, it just remains as that number. It doesn't change. Okay? So square root of 3 m to the power of 3 times 1, it will just be square root of 3 m to the power of 3. It won't change. Just like that. Then you come off as 2 square root of 3, then m to the power of 3. And then that common factor. Okay, we have something in common ka the numerator, meaning the number ya kamo godimo le the denominator ke square root of 3 le m to the power of 3. They are both there kamo godimo le kamo fast. So this one we're not going to take out a common factor, guys. We take out a divider because common factor number they are being divided. So it will happen good, they are going to cancel each other. Square root of 3, they cancel each other. Le m to the power of 3, m to the power of 3, they also cancel each other. Why? Because it means that they are going to produce 1, but 1 we do not have to write it. Why? Because other terms would 2 just like that. So they cancel. We just cancel them because they look exactly the same. Okay. Then okay. Guys, just because we cancelled everything except the negative I gave out. Just because we cancelled everything, square root of 3 m to the power of 3, doesn't mean that now we are left with 0. It's not 0, guys. We'll cancel everything. It doesn't mean that it's nothing total 0. It just means that we'll schedule 1. So when you cancel everything, what is left is 1. It's not 0. So you have negative 1 because of the negative that we have and over is visible or we'll schedule 2. So our answer is going to be negative 1 over 2, or we can write it like this. So this is the answer. So this thing, it looks very complicated, so when you simplify it, it's just this little thing. It looked very complicated. You would never think it would get to this when you simplify it. But when you're with me, definitely you can simplify something like this. And guys, so I hope this video was something, it is interesting and useful for you guys, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And guys, this is something, if you keep on with me just like this, there are a lot of other things you are going to know that you never thought you would. And definitely math is not going to be something it's difficult for you. And another thing, this thing I always mention it, I never forget it. What is coming up this school holidays? What I did now is something what I did for my students. I decided this school holidays, I'm going to let them attend every single day from Monday up until Friday. Like, they're going to be attending more than they did when the schools were opened. So I decided to do this for them. Once the school opened, even already they are packed. They are ready to go. So this thing I tell you guys about it because interested I join usually, because I don't want anyone to miss out on this. It's going to be a very fantastic and great time for everyone. And guys, by the time the schools open, with a really blind straight you're going to be doing like medical something. It's a very the most simple thing, it will the most simple subject for you. So if you're interested, guys, WhatsApp, not WhatsApp number, let me just say phone number is 0817031197. The reason why I get to the WhatsApp number thinking because WhatsApp, when you text, it's possible or a late reply, but it's better to call and get, guys. So when you call, you get assistance immediately because you cannot deny a call, you'll answer it fast because ring about a text, you might not even see it. So if you're interested, that's my number, guys, then you can just contact me on that. Thank you.